one distinguishes usually several kind of services. Services for subscribers, services for third parties like brands who are expecting, for example, to enable mobile advertising, but also internal services, meaning services for the marketing department, for example. So there are current services and prospective services. For example, marketing department, thanks to technologies like ours, are today able to understand how people are using the services, the mobile services, what kind of them, where the value is, and this is very important to them. And this can be achieved everywhere in Africa. While for subscribers, we have seen big data-enabled services in northern countries, in southern countries, where there is an interest, for example, for unified loyalty programs, where you can get awards and points from your mobile, from your landline, from your internet access, for example, mobile broadband access. And as for brands, it's more complicated because the market is pretty narrow for now. They're expecting, for example, location-based advertising because they want to push the right content to the right people in the right place. And technology speaking, this is pretty easy to achieve. But as a brand, if you are to invest in such a program, you want to have an audience. And operators have an audience, but in cities, it's not that large. And brands are as well interested by geo-marketing services, meaning they want, for example, to improve the location of their retail shops depending on the targets. For example, a brand selling video games is willing to sell to male people between 15 and 45 years old, and this is as well achievable through technology. But again, the market is narrower than in Western countries. So this is rather perspective, something that is of interest today, but is going to make money in 3, 4, 5 years from now.